What's going on, Truck 180 family? Today we've got another shop tool for you. Check this thing out. It's a tool that everybody needs to have in their shop. It's a tool that we so often overlook and overthink, and we take nuts and weld them to frames and stuff like that to mount stuff to. Well, this is the simplest way to mount things. So what we have here today is a Rex Betty rivnut tool. This can be found on Amazon. There's millions of different makers of them. This is just the one we chose, and we love it. So first things first, we need to figure out where we're going to mount something, i.e. a trans cooler in the back, make some brackets to weld onto something, whatever have you. So we figure out what size hole we need to mount the rivnut, and I use a vernier caliper and measure the outside diameter and match that in my decimal chart to a drill bit. Anyway, so on and so forth. That's the easy part. So we've got our hole made here. Simple tool. What you're going to do is thread the rivnut onto the tool with the arms of the tool open. And this is where we want to mount this guy, right? So we just shove that down in the hole, keeping it square. Give it a good pump. Might have to tighten it up a time or two. Right? We're going to do this one about 3 times. That seems to be the average with this tool we have in the shop. So boom, it feels tight, it's secure. Now we have a mounting area, a threaded mounting area, to mount whatever bracket we want to mount to whatever surface. So say we wanted to mount this bracket down to this surface. Now we just set that guy right in there, and it threads in like butter, and boom, it's mounted. That's it. Too easy.